Rewrite the statements by choosing the appropriate options. Portuguese dash French British participated in the competition of capturing Indian market. Option A Austrian, option B Dutch, option C German, option D Swedish. Correct answer is option B Dutch. In 1802, Peshwa Dash signed the subsidiary alliance with the British. Option A Bajirao I, option B Savai Madhavrao, option C Peshwa Nana Sahib, option D Bajirao II. Correct answer is option D Bajirao II. Jamshedji Tata started the manufacturing of steel at Tata Iron and Steel Industry established in Dash. Option A Mumbai, option B Kolkata, option C Jamshedpur, option D Delhi. Correct answer is option C Jamshedpur. Explain the following concepts. Civil services. To strengthen the British rule in India, there was a need of bureaucrats. Lord Cornwallis introduced bureaucracy. Civil services became an important part of British government. He restricted the private trade carried out by the company officers, and for this purpose he increased their salary. For the convenience of administration, he divided the British occupied territories into districts. The district collector was the chief of district administration. The officers were appointed through competitive examinations known as Indian Civil Services (ICS). Commercialization of agriculture. Initially, food grains were cultivated by the farmers. It used to fulfill their domestic needs as well as the needs of the village. The British government started giving more encouragement to cash crops like cotton, indigo, tobacco, tea, etc. The process of giving stress on cultivation of profit-giving cash crops instead of food grains is known as the commercialization of agriculture. Economic policies of British. England was a modern nation. Due to Industrial Revolution, capitalist economy prevailed. Hence, they inculcated an economic system in India which was conducive to economic system in England. Due to this, Britishers gained economic benefit, but India started facing economic exploitation. Explain the following statements with reason. Farmers in India became bankrupt. To increase income, the British made important changes in the revenue system. Land was measured, and as per the area of the land, the tax was fixed. Payment of tax was made compulsory in the form of cash. If the farmer failed to pay tax in time, then his land would be confiscated. The British system of land revenue collection differed from place to place, which led to exploitation of all farmers. There was decline of traditional industries in India. The British government obtained huge taxes on goods exported from India to England. On the other hand, very less tax was imposed on goods imported from England to India. Also, the goods manufactured in England were machine made, and hence there was maximum production at minimum cost. To compete with such cheap products was difficult for the Indian artisans. Eventually, it led to closing down of traditional industries, and many artisans became unemployed. Complete the following table. Lord Cornwallis Dash introduced the civil services in India. Dash passed Sati Prohibition Act. Lord William Bentinck. Lord Dalhousie Dash rejected adoption policy and annexed Indian states. Dash established Asiatic Society of Bengal. William Jones